Hi, hi, Jorgelina with Pixel Art Mysteries and Education. I had this wonderful question. We've had a video before of how we decrease the number of questions, but what happens when you want to increase the number of questions? So one of our members had this amazing idea to make a Sudoku puzzle, but she needs all of these red pieces to be turned into pixel ones. Okay, so first I am going to show you how to find the conditional formatting. I'm just going to select any of these that have already been formatted. I'm going to go with this 5 here. And when you click on this one, for example, look at how many different options you have, right? All of these colors here on the side, they're all coded for this field. So I can take all of these individual ones and change them to make other ones appear. Okay, so I hope that kind of makes sense. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, oh, this looks different. Give me one second. I'm gonna close this out. I gotta bring this down so I can see all the options. I'm gonna go to view and I am going to show the formula bar. Okay, and this part is important because the formula bar, when you click on a field over here on the side, it shows you what field that is. Okay, so when I go to File, View More Cell Options, Conditional Formatting, I can see that all of these are formatted for G106, which is what shows here on the side. So when I make new formatting, right, for example, if I want to format this one is H106. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Okay, and I'm going to edit this one piece. Okay, so it is going to be time consuming because you're going to have to hunt for certain things. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. And now when I click on the other one, notice how this is still open, but now I can see what field number this is. So it's H106. So I'm going to change this to H. Okay, and now this here, it's not going to be 69 on the other page. It's probably going to be 70. And I'm saying probably because I got to make sure on your other sheet that you're going in line with the answers on sheet 2. So I'm going to change this to 70. Oh, it already fixed it. All right, let me see. This is 16. Let's leave it at 69 real quick. I'm going to leave it at 69 real quick. I'm going to hit done. This one's not going to work, but it's just so that I can see. We know that it was this one. I changed it to H. Okay, I'm going to go to sheet 2. The next option here, okay, so it's at 74. This is where I'm going to put the 8 here. I'm going to put an 8 here, and then this is 74. Okay, H74. So I'm going to select this one again, go here, and then this should be 74, and we should see that part come up. 74. All right, so now the formatting works. It's coded for this field, but we want this one to change colors now. So in order to do that, I'm going to click this little box here, and I'm going to go to add another range, and I'm going to click on that. Okay, and it's selecting H106. The only thing is that I don't want that 5 to also change colors. So that's the part I think that takes the longest. I got to go hunt for that G106. The good thing about this is that these are in order, numerical order. So I got to go to the 100s. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 100s as I scroll up. 100. And here is 106, this one right here. And I'm going to delete that one. And then I'm going to go, okay, done. Now this one changes colors and it's gone from here. Okay, so let's do one more. This is why, and then I like to have a little sheet of paper next to me just so that I can kind of write down the bits and pieces that I would need to remember. So on the other side, when I clicked on this one, right, it was 74. So that means that my next answer should be on 75. Okay, so then, and then we're going to keep going from there. 74, 75, 76, right? So I'm going to go back to this one. Okay, cancel. I'm going to go back to this one. I'm not going to select the black one. I mean, you can if you want to. Yeah, let's do black. And then we can change because the letter is red. So that's okay. All right, so I'm going to select this one. Now I want to change it for this one, which is I106. I106. And then this part here is going to be 75. so that's the next number, 75. I'm going to click this little box here. I'm going to go to add, and I'm going to select the box. Okay, so I added I-106 so that it changes colors. Then I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to go to the 106. And 106, here they are. And I'm going to delete G. Okay, so G106. Okay, it's gone from there. I'm going to hit done. It hasn't changed yet because the answer on sheet 2 is not 1 yet. So I'm going to go to sheet 2. And I'm going to put 1 here on the next one. And there it is. Okay, so you can do that. See how there's so many. So you definitely have enough to do all of them. You're just going to keep changing them. Okay, so let's do one more. The next one would be 76. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. Select the next one. Change it to, if you click here, you should be able to tell it's J. You can also just look straight up, right here, it's J. J106. Change this to 76. Go here, add another range. I'm going to scoot this over. Select this one. Oh, look, this one as a bonus, it's right here at the top. I'm just going to delete it. Okay, done. Go on the other side. Next one is 6. There it is. Okay, so you could just keep doing this, repeating this pattern, and you should be able, you will have enough to do all of them. I do want to address the other question though that Gato said in her comments, that you could just add ones that don't trigger any pixels here on the side. So if you really wanted to, like, let's say one, like you're running out and of numbers, right? Or this is taking too long, you can have some that switch colors for the right answer, but don't affect this. So if I wanted to do that for this one, for example, I would right click, go to conditional formatting. Okay, so right click, view more cell options, conditional formatting. And then I'm going to change this, right? So it's coded. See how this one already changed colors? I'm going to drop down this and go to custom formula. And then I'm going to put an equal sign, the dollar sign. And then our field here is G142. So G dollar sign 142 equals. And because this is a number, I'm just going to put 8 there. And then I'm going to change it to whatever color like you would want. So I would probably choose one of these custom colors so it matches the template. Right? And now this one also changes colors for 8. So it's already done. So you can do that by just selecting a field. This one doesn't affect any pixels here on the side. So the only thing that you would risk is that students could have a complete image of the puppy before actually finishing the puzzle. So, but you could do that for any pieces that you need extra. And I think that's what Kara was talking about. But if she has a different answer, she can definitely answer in the comments. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.